the fuel line connections all hooked up, some stainless braided line that creatively runs down and around and dips in the frame there, runs around to the back all along the frame rail and fuel pump. This will all get made pretty. I have some clips for it. Stainless lines to the fuel pump, fuel sender. So fuel is all done. And next on my plate, these bad boys. Right, these are just oil coolers. And I'm gonna put one in the frame rail, kind of like so, somewhere in there. And then I'll put one on this frame rail as well, in here. And we're gonna cool transmission fluid. We'll run from the back up to that frame rail. And this will sit here again. And on that side, power steering. And then we'll be one step closer. There we go. All right, got the harness all laid in, nice and clean. You can hardly see it. That's the point. It all runs back here, grounds everything through the firewall, and that all runs to the glove box. Got this big mess here. I'm gonna try and put in now. Again, everything comes up through the firewall here. Will all end up in the glove box. These go back in the back of the PCU. They're big plugs. This fuse box is kind of on a short lead, so it's probably going to live in the glove box also. I say glove box, this is a fuse box. Tach module for the accelerator pedal here. This thing's just all torn apart. There's the glove box. Ooh. Go to the other side. But I got the fuel lines in. It turned out nice. I got the steering wheel out of it. Got to measure that. Need a whole new column. Yeah. Opened this up. That's where the gauge panel was. Pulled all the switches. You can see there's no pedals. Everything's been taken out, is out of the way, so I can get all up in here. That's where the wiring's gonna go. So there's nothing there. Just a bunch of boxes and a shit ton of wires. And when I come back, hopefully it'll be done. All right, everybody ready?
Are you ready, Pete?
We're rolling.
We got electric. Now you're all gonna watch me fuck with this key for a minute.
She loves her little earmuffs.
She did.
Primed. microphones. What am I looking for? What am I looking for?
Hey, baby. Your truck run.
This thing's gonna.
Your truck run.
You know that's.
What do you
great
think?
Headers, but even with an exhaust, this thing's gonna sound.
It's a pretty exciting ride, yeah.
It's gonna sound.
Is that your truck?
Little ass
You
truck
daddy go
coming
for
down
that?
there.
On video too. Especially if I crash into that truck.
All right.
Yeah, this. I'm gonna order up a new ignition switch here. Probably the next thing I order. What the fuck, dog?
Ah, my phone's stuck.
Hold on.